Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter 14, Linear Inequations of Maths. Okay. Last chapter we have studied linear equations. Equations and inequations. What is the difference between equation and inequation? Equation means there was the sign of equality. Yes or no? In equation you will always see the sign of equality. Equality means is equal to sign. Okay, but in equations means it is unequal, not equal. Either it is greater than or it is less than. It is less than or greater than equals to or less than equals to. But it will never be equals to. Okay, because equals to sign you will see always in linear equation, but we are going to study in linear inequations. Got it? So an inequation is a statement which states that the two algebraic expressions are not equal, they are unequal. Means either that can be greater than or less than or greater than equals to. This is called greater than equals to, or less than equals to. This is the equals to sign. Okay. So take one example of linear inequation. Linear means single variable whose exponent is 1. Okay, and inequation means the sign of inequality. So 3x minus 4 is greater than 9 minus x. This is a linear inequation. Got it? And in equation also I have taught you, if you will add any number this side and this side also, the equation will not change. It will be unchanged, remain. Same here. Same rule will be applied here also. If you will add any number this side and this side, both side, the inequation will also not change. It will remain same. If you will subtract any number this side and this side both, then also the inequation will be unchanged. If you will multiply or divide any number both the sides, it will be remain unchanged. Okay. But there is one more rule in this. Just notice that rule. Listen carefully. If both the sides of an inequation are multiplied or divided by the same negative number, suppose you are multiplying any positive number this side or this side, the inequation will not change. But if you are multiplying or dividing any negative number, okay, any negative number, 2-3 times I am telling, so understand it properly. If you will multiply or divide any negative number both the sides, then this sign will just reversed. Means the sign will be changed. Means greater than will become less than. If you will multiply both sides by negative number or divide by negative number, or greater than equals to will become less than equals to, or less than equals to will become greater than equals to. Got it? And a linear inequation can have many solution or infinite solution. Now understand what is replacement set. So a set from which the value of the variable have to be selected to make an inequation true. True means satisfy, is known as the replacement set, or you can say it domain also. Not understood? Take one example. Suppose this is an inequation, x is less than 4. This is an inequation. Suppose x is less than 4 and x belongs to whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will go up to infinity. 0, 1, 2, ... Okay. So x is less than 4 means x values are those values which are less than 4. So less than 4 you will get only 1, 2, 3 or 0 also. That will be solution. But the replacement set is this only. This means x, all the values belongs to whole number only. So its replacement set is this. Now understand the solution set. You will understand better both. Solution set is what? Suppose an equation I will write z in equation. Z is greater than minus 3. Means, and one replacement set is given here. Replacement set means z belongs to these values. Z values can be this only. Okay. Then what values you will select from this so that this will make this statement in equation true. Tell me, z is greater than minus 3. What are the values greater than minus 3 because there is a sign of greater. Z is greater than minus 3. So what are the values greater than minus 3? Minus 3 greater is minus 2 is greater than minus 3. 1 is greater than minus 3. 13 is greater than minus 3. But minus 4 and minus 5 are less than minus 3. Do you know negative sign? The greater values is known as the smaller and the smaller one is bigger. Integers I have taught you, know, in that. So what are the solution for this Z? Minus 2, 1 and 13 will satisfy this inequation. So solution set is this from this replacement set. So replacement is the set of values from which we have to select the solution set. Okay, got it? So let's see one example. You will understand better. Suppose you have to solve this. Okay, then how you will solve? We will use the transposing method. 3x plus 1 is greater than 8. Now multiply 3 into s. 3x plus 3 ones are 3 is greater than 8. This sign will be remain like this as you are writing the is equal to, no, like that only you have to write it. Now 3x is greater than 8. It is in plus. It will go this side. It will come in minus. Now 3x is greater than 8 minus 3 will be equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 by, this is multiply, it will come this side, it will become a divide. Okay, so x value is equal to 5 by 3. Means if you will write it in decimal or fractional form, you will get 3 ones are 3.66666 like this you will get. Means x is greater than, sorry, here will be greater than sign, not equals to. Okay, so x is greater than 1.6. Means 1.6 you have to take the solution of x, which is greater than 1.6. So greater than 1.6 are 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 1. Like this it will go on. But don't forget that x belongs to the whole number only. Means you have to take the solution as whole number only. You cannot take the decimal number. So 1.6 greater than 1.6, the next whole number will be 2 only. It is 2 is greater than 1.6 definitely. 3 also, 4 also, 5, 6, because it is written only x is greater than this 5 by 3. Means greater means it can be greater and greater. It can go up to infinite. So its solution is infinite, but it is starting from 2 because it is greater than this. Understood? Now let us understand one more example. Suppose in some of the question replacement set will be given. This is the replacement set. Okay, in this the replacement set was not given. You had to solve only. The replacement set was the whole number only. Means all the whole number you have to select. But in some of the question some set will be given and you have to select the solution from this. How? Let us see. It is very easy. 2 into x, 2x. First we will solve. 2 2 is 4 greater than minus 4. Now 2x is greater than minus 4 and this minus sign will go this side. It will come in plus. Okay. Now 2x is greater than minus plus will get cancelled. Will get 0. Now x is greater than 0. This is in multiply. So it will come this side in divide. Got it? So 0 divided by 2 will be equal to what? Sorry, x is greater than 0. Okay. 0 only we will get. So x is greater than 0 and you have to get the solution set of x. Solution set of x will be what? Greater than 0. From here only you have to choose because replacement set is given. Greater than 0, what numbers are there? Tell me. 1 is greater than 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Greater than 0 means you cannot take 0. Okay. But greater than equals to 0 if there would have been, then we could take 0 also. But here is only greater than 0. So all the numbers which are greater than 0 you have to choose from this replacement set. That would be its solution set. Understood? Now see some exercise question. Look at here. Question number 1. Solve the following inequations. X plus 4 is greater than 2. X belong to Z. Z means what? W means capital W means whole number. Capital N means natural number. And capital Z means integers. Integers means plus, minus, negative, positive and 0 also, including all the numbers also. Okay. Now x plus 4 is greater than 2. You have to solve and the solution belongs to this. Let's see. x plus 4 is greater than 2, means x is greater than 2. This 4 is in plus, so it will come this side, then it will become minus. 2 minus 4 will be equal to minus 2, because 4 is greater than 2, so we will give the negative sign only. So x is greater than minus 2. You have to take all the values from this integers. Integers means what? Tell me first. Integers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, all the numbers. Okay. So you have to take all the numbers of x solution whose value is greater than minus 2. Minus 2 greater is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. All these numbers are the solution set. What? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. It can go up to infinite. Okay? This is the answer. Now let's see one more question. Suppose 3x plus 3 is less than 12 and x belongs to natural number. What you have to do? Solve it first. 3x plus 3 is less than 12. Now 3x is less than 12 means this 3 will come this side. It will come in minus. 3x is less 12 minus 3, 9. So x is less than 9 by 3. So x is less than 3. 3 is a 9. So x is less than 3. And you have to take from the natural number only. This time not integers. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 up to infinity it can go. You have to take all the values which are less than 3. Less than 3 means 2 and 1 only. So what will be its solution set? Its solution set will be 2 and 1 and 2 only. Got it? Because it is less than 3. It is not greater than 3. It is less than 3. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is find the solution set of the following if the replacement set is given. This time the replacement set is given and you have to find the solution set. Let's see. It is also very easy. Question number A, 3 minus 2x less than 6, and replacement set for all the question is this only. Okay, you have to choose from this only solution. First we will solve this. This variable term you leave this side only. Okay. Now less than 6. This will come in minus. Minus 2x is less than 6 minus 3 will be equal to what? 3 only. So x is less than. Look at here. There is a negative sign. You have to remove this negative sign. So we will divide both sides by minus 2. But whenever we are dividing or multiplying by negative sign, what I have told you, this sign will get reversed. This less than will become greater than. Okay. Now this minus minus will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. X is greater than minus 3 by 2. So x is greater than minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.5. Now you have to take all the values which is greater than minus 1.5 from this solution set. Minus 1.5 greater than minus 1.5 will be what? Tell me. Minus 1.5 greater is 0 also, 1 also, 2, 3, 4, 5 all. All the positive number of course greater than the negative number, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all. This is the solution set. Okay, solve like this all the questions. Question number 1 and 2. Question number 3 I will explain you in the next video. Okay, any doubt you can ask me in the next group or I will explain you in the next video. Okay.